Alright, what is up guys? Welcome to a new video. So, haven't posted in a while, and I just been really busy with work. I just started kind of working out, and yeah, I've been working out like in the afternoons, and I haven't really had content to throw out, so that's why I haven't really been posting. And also my garage is a mess once again. So today, what we're gonna do is clean the garage. So, gotta take the Mustang out, gotta clean all this stuff over here, and I got the bikes out right now. Tiger's right there, my brother's car's over there. So today we're just gonna be cleaning, organizing the garage. I bought like these racks so we can put over there, so we could put all this junk on top of the racks and clean all this whole side up, because I have a freaking mess. And like when it's messy like this, I don't even want to do nothing to my car. So yeah, I'm gonna be working on the notch. I did do some things to it and I ran into a problem, so I'll be showing you guys what I ran into shortly after I clean up the garage. The camera is about to die, so I'm about to go throw that a charge while I pull the car out and stuff, and I'll show you guys what I bought. But yeah guys, we are gonna have to finish this. Alright guys, so it's pretty hot. Got my shirt off, my bad. But yeah, so we got these little things that we bought in Home Depot. They're these little stands or whatever, shelf things. So yeah, they're pretty cheap. I think this one was like 60 bucks. Then we got a 5 shelf one that was like 70 bucks. So there's the box right there for the 4 shelf, and then here's the box for the other one. For the 5 shelf, we haven't put this one together yet. Also, new truck. Got this truck the other day, little Chevy Silverado 5.3. I was gonna flip it because I got it for a good price, but you know what? I'm gonna keep it because it comes in handy. You know, when I go to the junkyard or anything like that, I don't have to borrow someone's truck, and also has a tow package on it, so I can tow with it. So yeah, I'm keeping the truck. And yeah, I got the 50 outside. Well, I swapped the notch right there. But yeah, I mean, it's already, the garage is already looking a lot better with the shelf. And I'm about to put the 5 shelf one going upwards, because there's 2 ways you could build it. You could build it like small like that, or you could have it tall. So I'm gonna have it tall, and so I'm gonna put the 5 shelf one right here just for storage, and I'll have like the things I use a little more over here. Obviously I'm still gonna organize it. I'm just trying to put the stuff out the way so I could have the other one there. And yeah, so also got some lighting on Amazon that I'm gonna show you guys later. I'm about to put it right here because the lighting in here sucks. And in Cali, you know, it's gonna be getting pretty cold in like a month or 2, so we'll be working more in the garage, so I need lighting. But yeah, so let me get the other shelving put together, and then I'll show you guys how the garage looks. Also, I'll give you guys a little update on the Mustang, and I'll show you where I'm at with it. I'm almost there. I'm like 90% done with it. So, you know, like 90% done. Like I even got the drive shaft right here ready to go. I got this guy right here, McLeod, for the clutch. So I got that guy. Just the fitting that goes here stripped, on the other side stripped. So that's what's holding me back. That's what kind of ticked me off, because now I have to drop the whole transmission to get that off. I mean, it's not hard, just my garage is a mess. That's why I don't want to touch it. But yeah, so let's get the other one built. Alright guys, so got the garage all cleaned up. Let me show you how it looks. So this is how the new little setup looks. Boom. Way more organized. All that stuff right there. Just the seat I gotta move, but I just have it up there so no dog hair gets on it. Got a new jack right there. So yeah, I like it. Way better than all the stuff on the floor. Way more organized. Obviously this side is not my side, it's my mom's boyfriend's side. He's gonna organize that tomorrow, I think he said. But yeah, all that stuff right there. Also got the lights installed. Used little Amazon lights. Let me show you how it looks. Hurry up, now I'm about to close the garage. Hurry up. Show you guys how these lights work. These lights were, I believe, like 50 bucks. So it comes with 4 of them. I only got 3 of them hooked up. I'm gonna order another one. I ordered like the other 3 on the other side. So this is how, this is how the, turn your light off, Lalo. Let me close this door real quick. Oh, shit. But this is how the regular light looked. You know, it's only 1 light, and it just covered that right there. It was pretty dark back there and all that. So now I'm gonna turn this light off and turn the new ones on. Go. And you could tell it's like way better. Just for 50 bucks on Amazon. It lights up at least this whole side of the garage. Way better. This side's pretty dark still, but you know, you can still see this side. I think if I had like two or even 1 on this side, it will light up even better. But look at that. Turn that one, turn it off again, Lavo. I mean,
this is a big difference.
Let's see, go. Yeah, now it is. On the camera, it doesn't look that big of a difference, but it's like way big of a difference.
You can see what you're grabbing. You can see.
Yeah, you can see like way better.
Yeah, everything.
So, yeah. But yeah, so that's that. Garage is organized. I'm gonna let the sun go down a little bit more, and I'm gonna wash the Mustang because it's really dusty. Then I'm gonna show you guys what else I need and the parts I have. So this is like a, you know, like a channel update slash, you know, Mustang update, you could say, because I haven't really done into the Mustang in like 2 months. So yeah, so wait till the sun goes down, then I'll go wash it. Alright guys, so it's the next day, and I didn't get to wash the car yesterday, but I washed it this morning. And yeah, so here, the car's all washed. Stuff, there we go. About to wash the bikes next, but anyways, so this is where I'm currently at with the car. So I had the McLeod kind of clutch, the cable, the hydro clutch thing right here. Not sure the exact name for it. Things for like the hydraulic throwout bearing. But I got that drilled in, so I had installed it, and this line right here ended up dragging the floor when I took the car to go get the drive shaft measured, and I messed up, so it won't even like catch thread right there. And yeah, so I have to drop the transmission to get this guy replaced, or maybe I could take it to like a shop and get it, like chop it off and like get a new one put in. I'm not too sure. But yeah, so also got the radiator installed. This is a Corvette radiator, eBay 3-core. I took a bracket off my brother's Mustang, and works pretty good. So right now I just have it kind of mocked up, but it won't move, so that works pretty good right there. It came with these things that kind of stood up here, like these tabs, so I had to cut them off. But I did order some new brackets, and I'm about to put some on both sides. What else am I at? I installed it comes like with this other thing down here, with that clutch kit for the hydraulic throwout bearing. So it's down here. You can see it up there. It's that shiny red part. That's basically what goes on to the end of what I'm gonna show you right now, the McLeod thing. And that makes it so it's like stronger, because that used to be it. Basically, when you press the pedal down, it'll pull a cable. Basically, well, this is a clutch cable car, and it activates the clutch or whatever. So that's plastic, and obviously now with a twin disc, it's a lot more pressure, so that plastic would probably end up cracking. So you have to replace it with that metal one that the kit comes included with. I'll put a picture of the kit right now so you can see. Boom. But yeah, this is it right here. So basically, I'll show you guys real quick how it's supposed to go. This guy goes right here, in there, all the way inside, and then that thing goes like clawed onto here. Goes like clawed onto this guy, and when you press the pedal, it pulls this and activates, you know, the clutch, because that's where that other line goes straight onto, then it shoots the pressure, you know, the fluid to the clutch and all that. So yeah, basically that's how that works. But like I said, that freaking line that's supposed to turn here messed up. Maybe I'll go to a hydraulic shop and not have to pull the tranny, because someone had told me that it'd be cheaper and easier to do that. So I might do that. But yeah, the car's almost done. I have like a whole another box of parts over here. It's like the fans, the throttle cable, what else? Those brackets, you know, a bunch of other things. Just gotta order the exhaust. But yeah, the car's almost there. So expect more content on the car. I'm about to be rolling with it, trying to finish it. But yeah, you know, garage is all clean, way better. And yeah, so now I'm gonna, you know, I'm not gonna go in my garage and not want to work. Man, look at this lighting. Turn on the new lighting. There we go. Way better, right? But yeah, now I'm gonna actually want to work on the car instead of coming in the garage and it being a mess, and then I have to move this and that just to work on the car. Everything's much cleaner. So yeah, it was just like a quick video. I'm trying to, you know, a little update on the garage, update on the car. It might be boring because it's just talking and showing you guys the garage, but you know, expect more videos because I've been liking it. So yeah, guys, almost to 1,000 subscribers too, so maybe giveaway. Look forward for that. But yeah, guys, till the next video.